So we left New York City this morning around 7 a.m., which was perfect because you just beat all the traffic. And we're heading to this really cute state park in Pennsylvania. It's called Peachtree State Park. The beauty of these vans is that they're luxury apartments on wheels. So it's like you have all the commodity and all the beauty of, the comfort of home. Van life is great with dogs because traveling with dogs is not the easiest part. And having full control of their environment makes it safer for them and safer for everyone else. Most of our clients have dogs and pets, so I think it's really important for them to feel safe when they are on a trail without the dogs, because unfortunately not all state parks or national parks allow dogs. And so for us, a must is the climatization of the van. So AC and of course heater, and they're all actually controllable from a remote app on your phone. So you can always keep an eye on your dog. We decided almost 4 years ago to streamline all our power system with EcoFlow. It is a no-brainer for me. It's an all-in-one solution to power the entire van, and each and every system has a redundant system. So if one fails, there's always a secondary. We adopted Starlink. We changed the power of the Starlink to a 12-volt system, which is a really low draw, and it just allows you to do this, to be in the middle of nature. I really love cooking, and the van allows me to create a kitchen almost like the one that I have at home. So tonight I'm gonna cook some amazing filet mignon. If Luka behaves, maybe he'll get some bite of it. You can customize each and every component of the van, whether it's wallpaper, color the walls, flooring, style of wood, cabinetry. It's a custom home on wheels, which that makes it so specific and so well built around your needs. This van right behind me is for sale, so hit us up if you're interested in this van. We do make as well a lot of other customization to these vans that fits your wants and needs and budget. We actually made this vehicle pretty kind of chill on the outside, but we can fully customize it and make it a lot more 4x4 and off-road capable. And to wrap it up, this was a great pleasure to show you what a day in the van life is. We do have a bunch of resources on our website. You can actually follow all our blogs that we talk about different layouts, Revel versus our builds, and a lot of other articles. You can always find us at brooklyncamperins.com, and hopefully I'll see you next time on another great adventure. Thank you for watching.